Okay, I'm giving Dunkin' one last final chance because everyone is raving about the cookie butter latte, and I tried it once and it was horrible. So I'm hoping it was just the way it was made last time. So let's give it a shot. So I got it made with oat milk and I did extra cold foam. Okay, that's better. I think that's better. Okay, we're working with something. Now let's try the cold foam. Okay. Okay, Dunkin', you redeemed yourself. Is it fabulous? No, but it's good. Like, I kind of like my cookie butter latte at home just as much. But this is not bad for Dunkin', I will say. Okay. I can work with this. All right. Not too bad. I rate this like an 8 out of 10. That one was made a lot better than last time, so